things don't always run the way they should. We help you get right to the heart of the problem. The Etekcity digital multimeter can troubleshoot a wide variety of everyday electrical issues. Test outlets, car batteries, regular batteries, and more. Enjoy quick, accurate results and save them for easy access later on. The backlit LED display always offers clear results, and the built-in kickstand helps you keep your hands free. With its durable design and overload protection, our multimeter is up for any job.